A VPN, short for Virtual Private Network, is a privacy protection tool that is quickly becoming a must-have. But why do you need a VPN, and how does it work in the first place? A VPN helps your data travel through the internet safely, without big companies or cybercriminals being able to spy on your online activities. Also, a VPN swaps the real location of your device with a new one. This way, you can virtually travel to any country around the globe. So, who can benefit from a VPN? If you're worried about your online privacy, a VPN makes sure your identity and private information are not exposed when you go online. If digital security is your top priority, a VPN gives a nice additional layer of security. It encrypts your data so nobody could see what you send and receive. If you are a human rights activist whose freedom of speech is restricted, a VPN helps you to bypass censorship and speak to the world. Or, if you're on holiday in another country, with a VPN, you can bring your home entertainment anywhere you go. Here's a pro tip: check out Surfshark VPN. It has everything you need in a premium VPN, awesome speeds, and industry-leading protection that covers all of your devices. All you have to do is click connect. Secure your digital life and enjoy everything good that the internet has to offer with a VPN you can trust.
Click link in the description and get 81% discount for your first order. Paying for membership. Write an application letter to Club 33 Member Services. The only way to submit your application to Club 33 is by mailing a letter to Club 33 Member Services, 1600 S Disneyland Drive, Anaheim, CA 92802. Mention how often you visit Disneyland, when you'll be able to use the membership, and how much you're looking forward to the amazing meals in the restaurant. Keep in mind that Club 33 membership only covers one official pass holder who can make reservations, and they can invite up to 3 additional guests. Throughout the letter, maintain a professional tone. Remember that they are considering you for acceptance to a very exclusive group, and you want to prove that you will fit in well. Focus on your reasons for wanting to join the club, like a love for Disney or fine dining. Try to avoid mentioning possible celebrity sightings as a main reason for joining, although you may have some at the club. Wait for a phone call from a representative to invite you for membership. Member Services will contact you as membership positions become available. Try to be patient because the waitlist for Club 33 is rumored to be very long. Some sources claim that it can take upwards of 10 years before a spot opens up. Don't get discouraged if it takes a long time to hear from the club. Reportedly, there are only 500 spots available for members, and there are over 800 people on the waitlist. Try to limit calls regarding your application to once per year. The representative won't be able to give you information about your exact position on the waitlist, but they can give you an estimated wait time in years. Make a zero payment for the initiation fee to reserve your membership. Once a spot becomes open and a representative invites you into the club, you will have to pay the initiation fee to confirm that you want to join. Your representative will walk you through the payment process. This is a one-time fee to confirm your space in Club 33, so you'll only have to pay it when you're notified of your acceptance. Pay $0 each year for your membership dues. All members are required to pay $0 annually to maintain their membership in the club. You can make this payment the same way that you paid the initiation fee. When it's time to renew your membership, a representative will contact you to arrange your payment. It's required that you make the entire payment at one time to confirm your membership for the year, so be sure to save up the money for your membership in time for your renewal. Follow all Club 33 and Lounge 1901 rules regarding membership. The club is notorious for having strict rules regarding clothing and dining room behavior. It's recommended that guests wear evening wear for their dinner, including suits for men and gowns for women. Throughout the dinner, be respectful to the staff and other guests. Sharing passes is only allowed if you make the reservation in advance for the guests who will be dining at the club and clarify that they will be using your membership. In some cases, you may be required to attend the dinner with your guests since you're the official pass holder. Dinners at Club 33 have 5 or 6 courses, and can be pretty expensive. Expect to pay around per person before alcohol is added to the bill. Dining with a corporate pass. Check your company benefits to see if they have a corporate membership. Sometimes, large corporations will include a membership to Club 33 in their recreational budget for employees. Access to the pass depends on the company's level of membership with Club 33. With a corporate or executive membership, up to 9 people can use the pass to make reservations. In some companies, use of the pass will only be available to executives or other high-ranking employees. Send a friendly email to Human Resources to ask how to use the company pass. If you have an upcoming company dinner or your company's policy allows for regular use of the pass, send an email to Human Resources to let them know you're interested in using the membership. Normally, they'll be able to give you the necessary information to make a reservation. Make sure your email is professional and make it clear that you plan to use the pass for company business. Otherwise, you might not be allowed to use the membership. Make a reservation using the company name. If your company has a membership, call Member Services to make your reservation under the company name. Sometimes, you will also need to use the name of the charter member who holds the company membership. Be sure to account for all members of your party when making the reservation. Sometimes it can be difficult to amend the reservation after it's already made. If you don't have permission from your company to use the membership, don't make a reservation. Member Services will check with the company to ensure that you are approved to use the membership. Using a member's pass as member's pass. Approach your friend about using their membership for a dinner. If you have a special occasion, such as a birthday or anniversary coming up, and you know a Club 33 member, you can ask them to use their pass for a reservation. Always be polite when asking, and try to understand if they aren't willing to share their membership at that time. Try to ask in person at least 2 months before the occasion so that they have enough time to make the reservation. Be aware that the pass holder may be required to attend the meal with you per Club 33 rules. Have the member make a reservation for Le Grand Salon. Friends of members are only allowed to dine in one portion of the club, called Le Grand Salon. The reservation must be approved by the membership holder, so it's best for them to call and make the appointment for you. When they make the reservation, they'll need to clarify that someone else will be using the membership that evening. They'll likely have to give your name and contact information to confirm the reservation. Thank the member for allowing you to use their membership. Once you've dined at Club 33, send the membership holder a thank you for allowing you to use their pass. You might want to send a gift basket, a special Disney souvenir, or just a heartfelt thank you letter and a bottle of wine. Remember that the member did something extremely kind for you, so be courteous and grateful toward them. Experiencing other Disney magic. Make a reservation at the Plaza Inn to meet characters. The Plaza Inn is one of the only character restaurants in Disneyland. They roam around the restaurant and come to each table to take pictures and interact while you eat. Make your reservations in advance, as seating in the restaurant can fill up quickly. To make a Disney dining reservation, call 714-781-3463 and be prepared with the ideal date and time for your reservation, along with the number of people in your party. Watch the fireworks, Phantasmic show, and parades. Disneyland offers a variety of magical entertainment. Check the park schedule to see the daytime hours for each event during the day and plan your trip around them. Secure a spot by the King Triton statue in Tomorrowland to view most parades without all of the crowds. Try catching the fireworks from behind Sleeping Beauty's castle, which gives a different viewpoint and is often less crowded than Main Street. Arrive early to Phantasmic to secure a seat closest to the water, which will let you see the show and characters up close. If you're not interested in parades or fireworks, these are perfect times to ride roller coasters and other attractions because the lines tend to be shorter. Know where to find characters throughout the park. One of the most fun things to do in Disneyland is collect autographs from all of the characters. Visit Toontown, the Princess Fairy Fair, Pixie Hollow, and walk along Main Street to find characters. Snap pictures and ask them to sign your autograph book to make a unique souvenir of your time in the park. Make sure you bring a pen large enough so that the characters can hold it, like a permanent marker. Sometimes there are lines for the more popular characters. Be patient and plan which characters are most important to you so that you can get an autograph for all of them. Buy a souvenir to remember your trip. Whether it's the famous mouse ears or a stuffed animal, souvenirs can be a special and magical reminder of your time in Disneyland. Visit the shops along Main Street and the stores in your favorite section of Disneyland to find a gift that's perfect for you. If you want mouse ears, buy them in the morning so you can wear them all day while getting your picture taken. For larger souvenirs, shop around during the day and visit the store before you leave the park to make a purchase. This will save you from carrying around a big bag all day. If you're buying something fragile or valuable, ask the store associate if they can ship it home for you. Most stores in Disneyland offer free or inexpensive shipping for items bought in store, and if the souvenir breaks, they'll replace it.